In this tutorial, I am going to show you a time-based smart light control system using the Xiao ESP32C3. Now the web server is successfully opened on my laptop. Here you can see current real-time clock, which is automatically synced using the internet. Below that we have a manual control buttons, the on and off buttons, which allow us to control the light directly from the web browser. And here is the schedule section, where the on and off timing of the light are displayed clearly. As I press the on button, you can see the light turns on instantly. And when I press the off button, the light turns off. So this way we can control and automate the light wirelessly using a simple web browser. Now I have opened the same web server on my mobile phone. And as you can see, the interface is fully mobile responsive. From here, also I can control the light directly using the on and off buttons. Now let me demonstrate the time-based automation feature. First, I set the on time for the light. Then I set the off time. After saving the schedule, the ESP32C3 starts following this time automatically. You can see that the light turns on at the schedule tab. And after 1 minute, it automatically turns off without any manual control. So this way the light can be fully automated and controlled from any device using just a web browser. We will require the following components for this project: ESP32C3, relay module, breadboard, jumper wires, and light. Connect the VCC pin of the relay module with 5V of ESP32C3, ground pin with ground, and signal pin to GPIO pin 2. Now let's move on to the practical demonstration. Here is my Xiao ESP32C3, which is connected and powered up. First, I copy the IP address from the serial monitor and paste it into the web browser on my laptop. You can see the dashboard open instantly, showing the current time, the manual control buttons to turn the light on and off, and the schedule section, where we can set the light on and off times. Let me quickly demonstrate the manual control. As I press the on button, the light turns on immediately. And when I press the off button, the light turns off. Next, I open the same web server on my mobile phone by entering the same IP address. The dashboard is fully mobile friendly and I can control the light from here as well. Now let's test the schedule feature. First, I set the on time for the light. Then I set the off time. After clicking Save Schedule, the dashboard updates, showing the new timing. As the scheduled time arrives, the light automatically turns on. And after 1 minute, it automatically turns off. All without any manual intervention. All without any manual intervention. So using this system, you can control and automate your light from any device using just a simple web browser. And the ESP32C3 will remember the schedule even if it's restarted. Finally, let's test the power off and restart functionality. I have powered up the ESP32C3 and then turn it back on. As you can see, the schedule we set earlier is still saved, and the on and off time are remembered perfectly. This ensures that the light automation continues to work even after a power outage or reset. With this setup, you have now fully automated time-based smart light control system that can be accessed from any device with a web browser. If you found it helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notification for more exciting ESP32 projects. Thanks for watching.